Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we re-journeying into the vast savannas and grasslands to uncover the secrets of one of the most graceful and diverse groups of animals on the planet, the antelope. You might think you know them, but these creatures are full of surprises. So get ready, because we're counting down 10 fascinating facts about antelope that you should definitely know. Let's start with fact number 1. Antelope isn't a single species. It's a bit of a catch-all term. The name antelope is used to describe over 90 different species in the Bovidae family, which also includes cattle, goats, and sheep. This means animals as different as the tiny royal antelope, which stands only about 10 inches tall, and the giant eland, which can weigh almost a ton, are all considered antelopes. They're found almost exclusively in Africa and Eurasia, each one uniquely adapted to its environment. So next time someone mentions an antelope, remember you're talking about a huge and varied family of animals. Fact number 2 is all about their incredible speed. When you picture an antelope, you probably imagine it sprinting across the plains, and for good reason. Antelopes are built for speed, a crucial defense against predators like cheetahs, lions, and hyenas. The pronghorn, found in North America and often called the American antelope, can sustain speeds of over 50 miles per hour, making it the fastest land animal in the Western Hemisphere. Springboks in Africa are not only fast, but are also famous for their pronking, where they leap high into the air. This isn't just for show. It's a signal to predators that they are strong, healthy, and not worth the chase. Moving on to fact number 3. Those magnificent horns. Unlike deer, which shed their antlers annually, antelopes have true horns. These horns are a permanent part of their skull, consisting of a bony core covered by a sheath of keratin, the same protein found in our hair and fingernails. Both males and, in many species, females have horns, which they use for defense against predators and for fighting rivals for territory or mates. The variety in horn shape is astounding, from the long spiraling horns of the kudu to the sharp, dagger-like horns of the oryx and the lyre-shaped horns of the impala. Each design is a masterpiece of natural engineering. Fact number 4 takes us into their social lives. Antelope social structures are incredibly diverse and adaptable. Some, like the duiker, are solitary or live in pairs, defending a small territory. Others, like the wildebeest, form immense migratory herds that can number in the thousands. These large herds offer protection through numbers, the classic safety in numbers strategy. Within these herds, there are often smaller family groups or bachelor herds. Their social systems are flexible, often changing with the seasons, the availability of food and water, and the constant pressure from predators. It's a complex and dynamic society always on the move. Now for fact number 5, their amazing eyes. Have you ever noticed the placement of an antelope's eyes? They are positioned on the sides of their head, giving them an incredibly wide field of vision, over 300 degrees in some species. This panoramic view allows them to spot danger, approaching from almost any direction without even turning their heads. While it limits their binocular vision and depth perception, it's a perfect adaptation for a prey animal living in open habitats. They also have horizontal pupils, which further enhance their peripheral vision and help them scan the horizon for threats, day or night. Let's chew on fact number 6, their unique digestive system. Like cows, antelopes are ruminants. This means they have a specialized 4-chambered stomach that allows them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plant matter. They eat quickly, swallowing their food with minimal chewing, and then retreat to a safe place to chew the cud. This process involves regurgitating the partially digested food, chewing it again to break it down further, and then swallowing it for final digestion. This efficient system allows them to get the most out of sparse vegetation and spend less time exposed and vulnerable while grazing. Fact number 7 highlights their communication skills. Antelopes don't just communicate through pronking. They use a complex range of signals. They use vocalizations like grunts, snorts, and moans to warn of danger or communicate with their young. Scent marking is also crucial. Many species have preorbital glands near their eyes, as well as glands on their hooves and elsewhere, which they use to rub their scent onto branches and grass to mark their territory. Body language, such as the flick of an ear or the posture of their tail, conveys subtle messages to the rest of the herd. It's a silent language that is key to their survival. For fact number 8, we'll talk about their impressive adaptations to extreme environments. Antelopes are masters of survival. Species like the addax and the oryx, which live in the scorching Sahara Desert, have developed incredible ways to cope with heat and lack of water. Their pale coats reflect sunlight, and they can raise their body temperature during the day to reduce water loss from sweating. They can also obtain most of the water they need directly from the plants they eat, allowing them to go for long periods without drinking. It's a testament to their resilience and ability to thrive where few other large mammals can. Fact number 9 is a little bittersweet. Many antelope species are under threat. Despite their speed and clever adaptations, many populations are declining due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Beautiful species like the hirola, also known as the hunter's antelope, are critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals left in the wild. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect these animals and their habitats through anti-poaching patrols, community education, and habitat restoration projects. Supporting these efforts is vital to ensure that future generations can marvel at these magnificent creatures. Finally, fact number 10, the origin of their name. The word antelope has a fascinating history. It comes from the Greek word antelopes, which originally referred to a mythical beast with long, serrated horns that was said to live on the banks of the Euphrates River. It was described as being incredibly swift and difficult to catch. Over time, as explorers and naturalists documented the real animals of Africa and Asia, the name was applied to this group of graceful, horned mammals that embodied the speed and beauty of the legendary creature. So, in a way, they are living myths. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about the diverse and fascinating world of antelopes. From their mythical names and permanent horns to their incredible speed and complex social lives, there's so much more to these animals than meets the eye. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.